Hello guys, welcome to the new video. And this, yes, exactly this is my new vehicle. It is
Subaru
Legacy. The year is 1998, I think. Yes. Yes, it is 1998, and I bought this for a few bucks because it is very beautiful car, and I want to renovate. It's very simple, as you can see. It's 5-speed manual.
reverse.
Do you want one going? Hey? Yes? Okay.
I think so.
2, 3, 4, 5. And reverse.
You know, Bluetooth audio must be in the
Which
car.
isn't working. I don't know why, but it's not working.
You fix it?
This lever here is for the
Low gears.
low gears for no low rider, but
Reduction.
reduction. Yeah, reduction. It has almost 300,000 miles.
Miles?
Kilometers. Yes, kilometers. Sorry. Okay. It's let's check the engine. Pop the hood. Oh. Can you hold it for me? Thank you. No, first.
Yeah, we can put it. Make it stick.
It's the simplest engine from the Subaru. It is 2.0 liter for...
Twin turbocharged, supercharged, you know.
No, it is only 2.0 liter boxer engine. It has, I think it has 85 kilowatts. It is about 110 horsepower. It has new battery, so very good. And it is knocking a little bit.
Oh shit.
Just this small. Just this small.
Engine
That is okay. Also,
Engine start.
it needs some repairs because, as you can see, someone has already.
He's
done it.
rusty, yeah, he's rusty, as you can see here. Yeah, he is.
That is not the rust. That is just
Yeah,
the
it's
dust.
rust.
No, it's not. From the behind, yes,
Super.
yes. But we have this thing.
Like
This is the fuel tank. Because the original fuel tank on the car is dirty, so the previous owner just made this. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
But it is working.
fuel pump, you know, fuel. And you
Yes,
go.
yes. Also, this side, it will need some repairs. Yeah, but overall,
Is it dirty?
as you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but nothing.
A little more.
No, it's just a little bit.
Little more.
But it has this beautiful sticker on the
If you didn't know, from
what?
front it's Subaru.
Yes.
From back it's Subaru.
And
But
from the
who-
side it is also Subaru.
Yeah.
And it has these brand new wheels.
Because
as you can see.
wouldn't know it's Subaru.
Yes. It has these brand new wheels, which I will maybe sell them and buy something tires like this. The classic road tires.
Why?
Because I want to ride it on the road, not in the off-road.
This. What's this?
This is something.
You are a mechanic, yeah.
This is the air
Intake.
intake, yes. You're very excited about this car, I can
a little
see.
bit.
And so it has some issues like the rust. It is in what?
Well, there's something is missing, you know, basic stuff.
What the f is this?
What the fuck is this?
there should be a
something important
AC,
because the
AC.
AC, yeah.
Yes, AC. But this leak is not from this vehicle. It is from this vehicle. I was repairing it last week because it is all still broken. But there should be AC.
Something important.
No, there is not
It
important.
doesn't matter.
I will look if it is if it got AC button. And sure, yes. Oh my god.
Someone stole his AC.
No,
Basic stuff.
I think someone sell it. But
Or stole.
yes. But I will try to. But there is not the pipes from the AC.
Pipes was stolen too.
I think yes. No, this. What is this? This is from the. Yes, this. Look. This is from the AC, and it. Someone just stole it. But whatever. We don't need AC for this type of car.
For summer course.
As I said, it has some issues like the rust is in
Rust, brakes.
very
No AC.
bad stadium. No AC, but I don't care about the AC. But the rust, I will try to renovate this car because I like it. It is beautiful car. I really like it. And the suspension is from the Subaru Forester SF.
I don't know.
Yes,
It's
SF.
lifted.
It's lifted but like only on the suspension, which is from the another car.
Another car. Yes, stock.
Yes. Don't show this
Sorry,
on the camera, you stupid idiot. And I need to repair the fuel tank and also the brakes, and the clutch. I think the clutch
Is hard.
is a
very
little
hard.
bit hard and it is little bit squeezing when I start
A
it.
little bit, but you know.
Yes, it is squeaky. Just a little bit. When I start it and I push the clutch, it will stop. When I let it go, it will. Just a little bit.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
And also, some animal have had fun here. And I need to repair the fuel tank, the rust, the
Brakes.
suspension, and also the brakes because the rear brakes are a little bit jammed, and the front brakes are okay, but the rear one are just a little bit jammed. What are you doing?
Cleaning your car.
You clean it in my seat. What are you gay?
What are you gay?
What are you gay?
It's clean now. You know.
Yes, but the interior is okay. It's fine. It needs some cleaning, but not that bad. Oh, what is this? I didn't. Oh, beautiful. As you can see yourself right here, and also me. Okay, and I'm going to remove the interior so I can look how bad is the rust, and then I will in the summer. Now it is February,
Yeah.
the last days of the February, and in the spring I will try to clean.
Under of the car.
Yes, the under of the car.
Like you flip on side and clean it. This.
No, I will just lift it up. I will make some ramp when I go up, and I try to clean the whole car from underneath. And shut up.
You know, it will be 30.
What?
It will be 30.
Yes, it will be dirty.
You forgot it.
What I forgot? It is dirty, and I need to clean it.
It will be dirty anyway.
I know, but before the
because
repairs.
You will
Before-
forget it.
Before the repairs, I need to clean it.
Okay. I believe.
Oh. And this is what I bought from my friend. Can you hold it for me? Thank you. It is brand new lights on this car. Yeah, this one's not broken, but you know, you need some spare parts.
Yeah.
Because you can see there is a dirt in the headlight, and there is. Oh my god, what the f is this? What is this? What's this?
It's grass, I think,
There is grass,
or,
just a
or
little.
some
It needs some cleaning. Yes, very much.
more, like some cleaning.
Some cleaning.
Like-
Yes. That is good. This is good. This
Yeah,
is
I
the
was
one of the
checking it,
things
checking it,
that are good. I didn't see the air filter.
I was thinking about it too. Like, no.
Can you remove
How
it
you-
for
how
me,
you
please? You are
Oh shit. Ah.
stupid. Just put it up.
Like-
Yes, just like that. Not working? Hold it.
Like with some.
Ow.
Now you can see professionals. In
Shut up. Why is it not coming off?
I think because this is
No,
holding.
no. I know what it is.
Ah. Mechanic.
Oh! Someone change it, I think, because it is not the new. It is not great, not terrible. 3.6.
Not great, not terrible. Yeah.
Very good, very good. And that's it. You will be seeing another videos of this car, some time lapse, and you know.
Yeah.
And
some cleaning. Yeah, sure. And there's oil.
not bad.
Some minimum. Minimum is
bad.
good.
Not minimum,
Yeah, it's
just right. It is not that bad. I want to have a look on this. Oh, that is not that too bad, but it is okay, I think.
well.
Green coolant. Here is the
It's minimum.
this is only the
Reservoir.
yes, I think.
Oh,
Oh, there is coolant. Very good. And we will check this power steering fluid. Ah, yeah, very good. It has everything. But what I need to do here in my country, I need to make This movie.
I'm ill, sorry.
I need to make STK and emissions, so I can have these plates for the car.
You know.
So, yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.